Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I will be showing you how to install mods on your Minecraft. On your Minecraft launcher. As you can see, I have Forge running here in the newest version. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Of course, I can't actually install it because I already have it installed, but I'll show you as much as I can. So what you'll want to do is go onto your Google or the search engine you use and type in Forge. No, not Forge 1.16.2, just Forge. And then you want to click on Minecraft Forge, and it will show you all these versions. You want to download the latest version. So click on 1.16, click on 1.16.2, and then click on Installer. Don't click anything. Do not click anything beyond this point. Nothing at all. Don't click anything. Click the red skip button right there, and then Forge will download in the corner. Now,
is Caleb in there with you?
No.
Did you use your parents' bathroom?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Now, it will say this file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep it? If behind it says jar anyway, always keep the file. Then, if that's still showing up at the bottom, do not download it. Wait for it to just say Forge 1.16.2. Like that. And now it will put up there. Now what you want to do is right click on it, and it will bring up this menu. You want to press open, and it will bring up this. You want to install silent and press OK. Now Forge will do its thing. Every single coding bit of Minecraft is in there. Every bit. Okay. And now you'll be able to go into your Minecraft launcher, and Forge will be there. There will be another tutorial on how to run mods, but that's all you need to know. And that's all you need to know. And like that. Bye. How do you turn off this recording? Hold on. You guys can exit out. I just started a new screen recorder. I need to figure out how to make it stop recording. Oh yeah, to say Control Alt. No, how do you do this? Oh.